Hey there, TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee, folks. We've got a beautiful Copperhead 52 rolling out shop today. This one's going on man Tom and Lyle. And guys, the Copperhead 52, that's really the pit that started off for TMG about 5 or so years ago. Really put us on the map. One of our more popular backyard cookers we built here, and for good reasons. So let's check it out. Now on the front right here, we've got a 6-gallon double basket Cajun fryer. Hold it up. 2 baskets in there, great for wings. Guys, nothing's better. Smoked chicken wing, throw it in here, fry it, crisp it up. Fries, hush puppies, you name it, goes great in the fryer. Propane powered, of course. Now on the main chamber of the smoker here, like I mentioned, this is our Copperhead. That is our octagon design here. As you can see, it's got copper accents as far as the eye can see as well. And we've got bottom and top sliding trays here, as well as removable reverse flow plates. This is a reverse flow smoker. So those plates direct the smoke all the way across the bottom and back out of the stack. He did add eyebrows over the thermometers here. That's a cool look. Stainless steel front shelf with the cup holder on the side as well. It's another great add-on. On the hot box, guys, this is our 30-inch hot box. 5 sliding trays in here. Y'all know the deal. 1,776 square inches of cook space. Now the way this works is we got a removable plate with daisy wheels in there. So what that allows you to do is runs the main chamber completely independent from the hot box here. You can be cooking at 2 different temperatures at once. You can also get direct fire in there. So very versatile option there. Probably our most popular option at TMG is the hot box. Now we'll step around here to his insulated firebox. Still got your fire management cradle in there. Custom stainless steel logo up above that. D-ring tie downs on all 4 corners. Step around to the back here. We finish them off with both a fold down stack and a rear folding shelf. Fold it down when you don't need it. Boom, you're ready to rock and roll. So guys, y'all know the deal. If you need a custom pit built, you know to call. TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee.